So Dragon OS ISO file is downloaded. Over here you can see. So we are going to use this ISO file and create virtual machine. So let me start VMware, and I'm just going to show you this process in VMware, but you can create the same machine using VirtualBox as well. The process is very similar, so you just have to use VirtualBox rather than VMware. It's up to you, it's your choice. I'm using VMware, so let me create a new virtual machine, and I'm using custom advanced setting, and let's just do next, and let's just browse and select our OS file, the ISO, and let's just do next. And we are using the guest operating system is a Linux. It's based on Ubuntu, so that's why I'm selecting Ubuntu version over here, and let's just do next, and we will install it in OS, and we will call it Dragon OS. And let's just do next. So you can change the processor configuration over here. I'll keep it default, and I'm going to use 4 GB, uh, which is a recommended. So I'm going to use 4 GB for Dragon OS. And network connection, I'm going to make it as a bridge connection so that I don't have to set up net connection. So you'll just get the IP directly from my router. So that's why I'm using bridge connection. And let's just do next, next, and I'll keep all the default settings. And for the maximum disk size, I'll make it 80. Sorry, I'll make it 80 GB, and let's just do next and finish. So Dragon OS is set up now. Let's just power on this virtual machine. And there are few options available over here. You can see live boot or with safe graphic mode and MIM test version. So we are going to select live boot, the live system. So it might take time to start. So Dragon OS live mode is started, and you can see the desktop of Dragon OS over here. So currently we are running a live mode of Dragon OS, and on live mode we cannot save files. If we save files and then we restart Dragon OS, we might lose those files. So yeah, we have to install Dragon OS Focal. Over here you can see the CD. So you just have to double click onto it, and then all you have to do is execute it. So this will install Dragon OS permanently on your virtual machine, and then you can save files on this operating system without any issues. So it's a very easy process. So I'm just going to select English as a default language. Keyboard layout is also English, and download updates while installing Dragon OS. Yeah, just ticked on this option, and let's just do continue. And then there is option to erase disks and install Dragon OS. So yeah, we can select this option because we haven't uh, saved any files on this OS currently. But if you have saved those files, you just have to copy those files and create a backup of those files. And let's just erase those files, erase the disk, and let's just install now. It's going to install Dragon OS, and let's just do continue. And then you have to select the location. So it has just selected the correct location for me. Let's just do continue. And over here you have to provide some information, and over here you have to choose the password as well. And over here you can select login automatically or require my password to login. I'll just use login automatically. So now it's copying files. It might take some time. So the installation is completed now, and we have to restart our Dragon OS. So let's just do restart. So Dragon OS is installed successfully, and now we can save the files on this OS without any issues, and we can use this OS on virtual machine. So this is how you install Dragon OS, and in our future videos we are going to utilize Dragon OS to receive signals using SDR dongle.